Hello friends, my name is Yvette of Yvette Creates, and I am a part of the Not2Shabby Shop design team. Today I wanted to make some fun tags using some of the goodies from the August box of the month. So I'm going to be using the Let's Have S'mores paper pad, as well as the Happy Camper stamp set and the coordinating ephemera for this paper pad. So let me show you what it is we're going to be making. So I had this little s'more packet in my pantry, and I thought, oh, this would be great with a little tag on it to give to the grandkids when we go camping. Now, of course, you can make your own little s'mores packet. This was one that I just happened to have in the cabinet. But I made this cute little tag using the paper, ephemera, and stamp set. And I had some twine in my stash. And of course, I stamped using Gina K Designs. This is dark chocolate, and that's what I use. So let's put one of these fun tags together. Now I've gone ahead and cut out my pieces here. So what I did was I cut some craft colored cardstock. This is 2 3/4 inches wide by 4 1/4 inches tall. And then the pattern paper I cut to 2 1/2 inches wide by 4 inches tall. And with one of the scraps, I cut it at 2 1/2 wide, and it's 2 inches tall. Now, what I decided to do, instead of using a tag die, I do have some tag dies. I thought, it would be fun to just make this without using a die. Now, I do happen to have this corner puncher that cuts like an angle, so I can just trim the angle here. And then I think I didn't do that either. Let me fix that. There we go. And then I'll do the same on my craft cardstock, because I'm going to layer the paper on there. And so once I have this trimmed, I just kind of put it on there, make sure that it will fit and it looks good. And I'm going to grab my 2 1/2 inch piece by 2 inch piece, and I'm going to layer it right on here. And I'm going to go up about a 1/2 inch from the bottom. Now I could measure if I wanted, but I'm just kind of eyeballing it. And of course I went crooked. Let me fix that. So now that I have that on there, I think I want to add some peel-offs. So I have some of these kind of shimmery brown peel-offs here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it at the top and the bottom of this 2 inch piece of pattern paper. Okay, once I have that in place, I am going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. So I have gone ahead and put my sentiments inside of my mini Misty here. And I want to make sure that it is centered where I want it. And then I'll bring in that Gina K dark chocolate ink. Alrighty. Once I have that done, we can set our little mini Misty aside. And I can attach this to our craft colored cardstock. And I'm being careful not to put glue at the top center here, because that's where I'm gonna put my hole punch through. And I could use dry adhesive, but I think the liquid glue does a better job of holding this hole puncher, and make my hole punch there. And then I could leave it just plain like that, but I do want to bring in a bit of the coordinating ephemera. So let's take a look at what we have here and what I can add. So I could add a cute little marshmallow and a little heart at the bottom. Let me see if I have a tinier heart. I think I do. right here at the bottom. See, that looks really cute. So, and I could pop it up, but being that this is kind of like a gift tag per se, I want it to lay flat. So I am just laying my little ephemera on my tag flat. Let's see here. And then we'll bring in my twine here. And you could save cutting the twine till you have your s'mores packets made, and then you could attach it however you see fit. But I'm just going to go ahead and attach this twine here, and then I can adjust it when I'm adding it to our little packets. So let's do just one more together real quickly, and we'll have in the end 4 tags all completed for some fun s'mores packets. Now, let me show you. This is what I had left in scraps from that one sheet of 6x6 pattern paper. So it's not tiny pieces, but I can use these on a card, I think, or another project. I'll save these pieces for another project. And then these, you can write a little message on the back if you'd like. And I'm inspired by my good friend Yvette, who adds shimmer and glossy accents to her projects. I think I may do the same here on this piece of ephemera that's the campfire. I think that would be nice, don't you? And I might do it on our little heart over here. So that's our shimmer I'm adding. And then let me grab my glossy accents. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of glossy accents to our heart here. So here we have 4 lovely little tags for some s'mores packets for your campfires. Now, I love these. Summer's not quite over, guys. I know we're almost into fall, but summer's not quite over. So use some of this paper, make your little tags, make your own little s'mores packets. Take your kiddos or your grandkiddos out, or just yourself and your friends out, and have a little s'mores party. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until next time, bye.